Earthquake, so sorry for not uploading, but today we are playing the Survivalist.
Hello.
Hello, I've actually created this here. Woohoo.
Some people say that my skin looks like it's like you can't even like it looks like I'm not even wearing the pants.
You're wearing pants. Okay, let's select a person. Oh my gosh, what's over here? It's over here. I have like child.
And my child, yeah.
So, did you name your little child?
And my child, yeah.
Okay, click red. 70, you have 10.
Oh, he's plus 6 now. Plus.
I have 70, you have 10. Now you must be careful, young one. I'm leaving you. Oh my god, that voice. You're like, help! I'm dying! Yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, jeez, don't go in third person. Okay, come here. We'll stay here and camp out. Okay, don't stay here. I'm dead. We're dead. We may have to do this again on a different map, because this map's really hard. You're not good at Minecraft. Let's do. Your name is now Doo-Doo. Oh wait, no. Okay.
I'm naming mine. I smell like poop.
Ah! Help! I'm being pushed. I'm ready. You know, I noticed you get more views on videos that like aren't live streams. You should probably say when you're gonna live stream. I think more people would show up then. Because they like, she live streamed? I didn't know this. Like, I need to upload more. Except the guy is not kid friendly, nor do I watch him. Yes, but he uploads 2 videos every day, and he's like screaming. His vocal cords must hurt. I like how we're just like talking. Oh my god, we should make this like funny moment.
You're a bit late for that.
Well, that was a funny moment.
This isn't funny. Funny. I'm gonna make this a funny moments video.
You're a little late.
I've
Too
always
late.
wanted to do something where instead of like I just went silent. Are you dead? Hey, you're lasting longer this time. You actually are even on pills. You're right, not for long. I literally we're just like dang it, God. Things get insane. Oh, wait for it. This is where things get insane because there's like wolves on like. This is where. Ow! I just cut myself with my own nail. Why did they go? Stop stealing my kills, girl.
Oh
No! Things happening. Things going very wrong. No! Read that. Can't read it. Your battery is very low. Plug in your PC. No. My computer was about to die. That's a YouTuber's worst nightmare, having like a really good video and then it just like dies. It's like also when something like crashes, that sucks. Yeah.
May I mention something now? I was making this video and it crashed. At least
I have a
it
friend
crashed
that
when I
hates
finished it.
I don't think they want their name exposed, so I'm just gonna say friend. Friend, help me, friend, girl, friend. Did you?
I smell like
I may mention that she doesn't even like me.
Tofu. Help me!
I can't.
Why?
And thus she realized.
That scream was intense. Let's do one more round and then we'll switch off to your video.
What should I name mine?
I don't know, but since I'm the clown. What's that new clown movie?
It's and the clown in it is named Pennywise.
I did Penny. I don't care if I spell this wrong. I think I spelled that right. Pennywise. You can change!
Yes,
Okay.
fast.
Throws juggling balls. Hitting this map looks difficult. Don't fall down, because I don't think there's a way out, but don't fall down. I like how I say that, then I immediately go down. Oh, jeez. That's stairs. Oh my gosh, look at this, look at this. I put a rainbow puff. Look at.
I said, look at
Oh my god, I
this.
do a rainbow puff like thing.
God, that's amazing.
Come here, look. Come here, look at this, look at this, look at this. You ready? You're probably gonna have to edit it like at least once or twice, because these rounds can get a bit long. Remember our first, oh my gosh. I'm gonna love watching through this and have to edit out all the serious bits, all the not funny bits. We're just like, joke. Funny!
Oh, your TV's still on.
That's just weird. Hey, watch this. You see these two zombies? You killed the zombie and I killed my domain. Bears. I think the hut's just like, why am I so slow? Because you ate your legs. Oh. Like, we ate our brains and you ate your legs. Guys, tell me if you just want me to do a roleplay.
To that later, because I have no idea what that is.
And you're dead. You named yours Jacksepticeye? For how long was it named Jacksepticeye and I didn't realize that? How did I not realize that? And stuff like that. That would be cool. I love the clown because it hits multiple ones at once. Die! Dog, I'm sorry, dog, but you must die. Well, they shouldn't, their owners shouldn't be riding them. Have you thought of that? I honestly hate it when people do stuff when I'm not around, but it's because I hate, this is 19 minutes long. I hate, oh yeah, I killed your animal. It's like, why? Why? Just why? All I have to say to you is why. I just realized they like can't hear you.
They can't hear me?
Basically, I just realized because it's like a quiet talk, but it's not like a talk.
Really quiet.
Please, people are trying to sleep. When I say people, I mean me. Why did you die?
I can't handle it.
Hi. It's up against the wall. What's that sound? It's a shoe honk. It's where you throw your shoe against the wall. I just like hearing the distance. It's better than Skype. Yeah. Oh, you could just, I'm pretty sure you can like just get it like use a website to get them on Skype. You just like quit the game. I had to get them on Skype, and I called them, and I forgot how they sounded because we hadn't talked in like a year or so. But I forgot how they sounded, so I was like, "Is this beep?" I didn't even censor it. I just said beep because I don't want to say their name, and I don't know if I can say it. Have you realized what round we're on? Nor do I.
Look in the chat! No, I think that's so always
That one died, but that one didn't. I'm like, I don't know why. Two hearts. Well, it's not really hard. Help! No, I'm dead. I put this in the wrong hand. Oh, jeez.
I don't know. You should be like called.
Which leg is dog? That one.
You should be called. It's the best round.
I think we waited till wave 9. We'll back the footage. Oh, wait, I don't know how to do that. For bloopers.
So.
Oh, my. I noticed. Oh. Oh, wait, you're dead. Wait. It's like Batman and he's like, he's like, I'm not Batman, Robin. I'm not Batman. They're like, you sure? It's like, yeah, here, I'll read my diary. Dear diary, being rich is hard, but it's easy sometimes. Chapter 2. Wait, no, there's a joke leading up. There's a joke. Chapter 2. Man, being Batman's hard. Being Batman's hard, I mean. Mom, I told you to remove that from the diary. Diary, dear. Oh, jeez, I forgot you're dead. I honestly forgot that they're dead. It just like zooms to like a gravestone. Sad. Sad truth. There's like this one episode where Robin died. But yeah, Robin died at one point. Why is there baby villager zombies that are faster than regular? It's just like, isn't that amazing? Like crickets go off. I forgot. Oh my god, there's an Enderman out there! Ah, no! That's not an Enderman, that's a silverfish thingy. What are those called? Ah, I forgot to come out this way. I'm at 4.
Help me.
I can't really help you when I'm getting chased by zombies. This looks right. And we're gonna die. 27. Dang it.
Bloopers.
I'm gonna record it, save it for later, and then record it again for a bloopers and it's just like I'm gonna save it for a bloopers and no. I'm here. No, my shift. I quit. I'll get up there. I'll get up there eventually. So I'm holding space. Look, I'm holding space. Hey, would you like a cookie? It's called an air cookie. I don't know how to bake. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Anyways, guys, that is all for this video. I will see you all later, and I realized I never did an intro.
Oh.
Love. Like, the chat is just like full ghost. If you look at the chat, you just see...
That's the
skateboard. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be all for today. I'll see you all later. Bye! You're meant to jump off with me!